Hi children, so today we will be learning a new exercise and the new topic called histograms. Okay, this question also very important. One question sure to come. Class 9 when you come it has 5 marks. Final exam sure to come. So here better you learn nicely. Okay, histograms. Before going to histograms directly, let me explain about histograms and even the graph also, bar graph also. See, when you go to the bar graph or histogram, there will be two axes. Namely x axis and y axis. Many times even the higher classes, even class 10 students, they confuse which is x axis and which is y axis. Okay, see, I'll explain to you. When you draw x, this is the x, right? So x axis, when you draw x, it will be like this. The axis is coming right? Yes or no? The x is which one? Lying down, right? Flat. Yes or no? So which line is lying down? This is the x, right? Another one, y axis. When you say y axis, y is standing, isn't it? Y is not lying down like this. Y is standing. Upward little bit slide, but standing, right? So which line is standing? The standing line is always y axis. So this is y axis. The line which is lying down, x is lying, right? So no. So the number which is lying, that is x axis. The number which is standing, that is y axis. Don't have the confusion, because even class 10 also having confusion. Okay. Now on x axis and y axis lines are there. Y axis also lines are there. Equal lines. When you use a graph notebook, equal distance the lines are there, right? Okay. Now, what to write x axis and y axis? Keep in mind frequency or anything number of students or number of employees or number of workers or employees or number of teachers. Anything comes numbers, then that you write which on y axis, or we can say frequency, number of anything, or which on frequency. Frequency that should be on y axis, and for x axis always class intervals, CI, which are class intervals. In the graph, when you go, before going to do the graph, there will be a question given, right? Table given, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 given, isn't it? So those, that is called class interval. That will be which one? Sometimes it's given class interval, sometimes they are giving might be employees, or sometimes they are giving salary, whatever may be given. Okay. So anything like this comes, that is which one? You are right, y x axis. Okay, children. Next. Another important point is the gap between whether it is a bar graph or histogram. If it is a bar graph, the gap between each bar, suppose I am giving two gap here. This is 0, okay? This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 goes like this. So suppose 2 centimeter I am giving gap, for example, and once the width of the ball is 1 centimeter. Okay, from 0 to first graph 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter I am giving gap. Then next bar also should be after 2 centimeter. 1 leaf, 2 leaf, then third. Clear? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter giving gap. Then again 1 and 2 centimeter give gap. Then again if you want, again something is there, 1, 2 you give gap. Clear? So this is what you have to do. And the width of the bar width also should be everywhere equal. Here we get how many? 20 to 30, 10, 50 to 60, 10, 80 to 90, 10. Clear now? Suppose if you are giving only 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter only gap, then everywhere 1 centimeter. It is not necessary that every time 2 centimeter you have to give. Okay, children? If you are giving 2, then everywhere 2 gap. If you are giving 1 centimeter gap, then everywhere 1 centimeter gap. Clear? That you have to keep in your mind. And so that is for not only for bar graph, even for histogram also it's the same. Suppose a question is there. "80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120. In that case, you see, you will not be doing here, nothing you will be doing here. Okay? Up to here, this much gap will be empty. You are not going to draw the graph here. Your graph, your answer will be starting from only this much. From here to here only. So this much area will be wasted. So in order to avoid, and you may not have space to do the graph also. Because more than half of the page is wasted, not going to use, only little bit of portion of the graph notebook only you are going to use. That means you will not be able to complete the answer. Space will not be enough. To avoid and to make use of the maximum space, what we can do here is, here we can write 80 to 90, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. You may be thinking that will be wrong. Because you see, here 0, 80. From here 0 to 80, only 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, how many units increased? 80 units. In 1 centimeter, you are keeping 80 units. Next, 80 to 90, here also 1 centimeter. How many units you are keeping? Only 10 units, right? 80 and 90, how many? Only 10 units. So the increment should be everywhere equal. 0 to 80, 80 number increasing. Next, 80 to 90, only 10 increasing. That means your answer is wrong. The increment should be everywhere equal. 0 to 80 means then 80 to another 80. 80 plus 80, 160. It has to go. It should not go up and down like this. Okay? 0 to 80, then 80 to 90, then 90 to 110. It should not be. It should be equal. But how to be equal? How to make it? Because it is very difficult. 80 to 90. If you have 10, space is not enough. So therefore, that what you can do, you can make a kink here. What do we call? KNT. We can make a break. The break is called kink. Now after that, you can make 80. No problem. Now you can take which one? 90. Then 100. Then 110, 120, 130. And so you can go. It goes even here also. If space number is not enough, then you can make a kink here, a break, then you can stop. Without break, if you start, then it will be, your answer will be wrong. Okay, children? That you have to keep in your mind. Then, so these are some basic points which one about the histogram and bar graph. Now I think better to go your exercise 8.3. 8.3 exercise statement, sorry, 18.3. Question number 1, 2, nothing to do. Question number 1 and 2, nothing to do. You are going to do by yourself because it is a multiple choice question. Answers are already given. You are going to choose by yourself. Okay? Okay, children. Within a few minutes, I will back to the next questions. Till then, you go and take rest and we will meet. Okay? See you.